Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Ford Fusion. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your car's display. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing process, allowing your vehicle and phone to communicate effectively. Once in the Sync menu, select the Add Device option. Your Ford Fusion will then display a unique 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, check your mobile device for the same PIN. Confirm that these numbers match on both screens to proceed. After confirmation, your phone might ask for permission to access your contacts or messages. Grant this for full functionality. This step securely links your devices. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication and audio. To make calls, simply use voice commands or the convenient steering wheel controls. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your phone through the car's speakers. Adjust the volume easily using your vehicle's standard audio controls. It's a seamless way to stay connected and entertained. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the sync system often resolves the problem. Sometimes, deleting older, unused devices from your sync memory can also improve performance and free up space for new connections. For more detailed instructions or specific model variations, always refer to your Ford Fusion's owner's manual. These tips help ensure a reliable Bluetooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.